Allahabad High Court APS Series B, Exercise 15. Be ready? Start. When the High Court says that there shall be no coercive steps, this would also mean that you cannot be interrogated. This hampers investigation. The right to investigate is with the IO, not with the court. The discretion of arrest lies with the IO and not with the court. The court can exercise this power in anticipatory bail and bail pleas. But let us not say that the court will decide how the investigation is done or that the court can pre inject the rights of the IO. It is in your, the accused interest, also that the investigation is done. Stop para. Upon the registration of the FIR, the accused is mainly worried about the arrest. So 438 is the remedy. If the FIR is investigated and no case is made out, then the police gives ABC summary report and it will be considered. It is in the interest of the accused also that the investigation is carried out nowadays within 1 day of the lodging of FIR. The quashing is sought. There is no time given to the IO. Stop para. Is the court justified in passing an order when there is an alternative remedy under section 438 of the CRPC which has been invoked? That way you will be in two courts. Stop para. If the counsel prays for pre-arrest bail, then he may be asked to specify if he has moved an 438 application before the Sessions Court. In that case, he must be asked to go there or withdraw the same. One cannot be given multiple chances. Normally, when counsel find that the court is not inclined under 482, they withdraw it and go under 438. The client may also engage another counsel to go under 438 and conceal that fact. As judicial officers, we tend to put sections and jurisdiction in parts. It leads to complications at times. Just now, we were hearing the matter for alienation of property in public trust. Otherwise, there is no fear of the law of the consequences, whether it is civil or criminal jurisdiction. Stop para. In the instant case, the petitioner had impugned an order of the Bombay High Court allowing another bidder to complete the formalities and procedure for the sale of the property of the public trust on the repeated failure of the petitioner to deposit the requisite sum with the registry of the court and finally on his check being dishonored. Stop para. The rising trend among high courts across the country to routinely grant interim relief by way of a stay on any coercive action pending a writ petition or a plea under section 482 CRPC for quashing of criminal proceedings. Accordingly, the bench undertook to lay down guidelines in this behalf. Stop para. The bench was hearing an SLP arising out of a September 2020 order of the Bombay High Court on a writ petition, while granting time for the filing of a reply affidavit with additional documents. The High Court had, in the interim, directed that no coercive measures be adopted against the present respondents director of a real estate development company and his business partners close in respect of the FIR registered by the present petitioner Niharika Infrastructure Private Limited close with the economic offences wing for alleged offences under sections 406, 420, 465, 468, 471 and 120B of the IPC. Stop. Hope you like the dictation. If you like the dictation, please like, subscribe, share with other. Press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.